Okay, please don't try to swim to there because there are so many crocodiles under the river. If they see you, they really bite you, Okay, our friend is waiting for us. They said. Okay, this is our mother and baby elephant. Mother is teaching baby to use his trunk to spray water. Okay, let's say hello to baby elephant. Hello. Okay, let's move forward to the right hand side. This is brother elephant. They are bumping so much. Look at that wrinkle. Yeah, he bumped a long time. If all of you don't want somebody wrinkle, don't bump too long, okay? Oh no. Father elephant is in front of us. He's spraying water. You don't want people watching him drink his water. Okay, don't spray us. We just go free here. Right, man, spray it again. Let's count up 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We get it, okay, just kidding. Yeah, he just want to spray me so bad. Okay, when they say that, when we get lost, go to the left hand side. Yeah, this is the biggest poison spiders in this world. I've heard that they can jump 20 feet low to the right hand side, they just jump over our boat, okay? Actually, with the temple of the elephant god, Joe's cobras, there's a hotel check animals here. Low to the left hand side, this is the king of cobras. Don't scare it, this is so timid. When they feel afraid, they will bite us, so we just go faster. Oh no, there's so many crocodiles are waiting for us. Look at their mouth, it seems so hungry now. So to put your hands and arms outside the boat. Otherwise, you will be the dinner to them, okay? Oh no, there are other campsites of provide support and drink. But why so many gorillas here to bring their gas? Wow, they'll shoot us. You see that there's so many animals here. You see broad giraffe and the African elephants here. To the left hand side, this is the second fierce elephant in this one. The most fierce is his wife right hand side. She just said, go away. Okay, we go now. Okay, do you see that? There's so many hippos under the river. I've heard that the 6 days of my voyage,
spraying water.
It's so slimy they never brush their teeth either. Okay, I don't lie to you. This is the previous public sword. They were just broken by the hippos, so they're not going to tell about rhinos such a good guy. Okay, luckily you're skippers to me, otherwise you can jump the tip about rhinos too. Okay, we can help them. Good luck to them. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, let's move forward. Okay, please sit down. Please take a seat. Thank you. Okay, oh no, you see that there's so many skeletons in front of us. Yes, we're entering to the home of headhunter. So we just go slowly and quietly. They may not know we go through here, but they keep quiet. Oh no, we saw that! Slow down! Be careful! It's fast! Be careful of the bag! Oh no! Why is it lucky, I'm safe, okay? The salt if you're safe. Please shine your body. If there's a potion down on your body, please put it down and blow into the river because we don't have free souvenirs here. Also, make sure all of your heart is still here. Then the door is in front of us, okay? We are now back into the door now. We just go through here. Then we can go back to our safety door. Wow. There's a big way. Turn right, be careful. Please remain seated and sit properly. Why so suddenly such a big way?
What is that?
No. How come you go here? This is a 4-meter chaos of God. We are not supposed to be here. It's protecting by the fire water God. Oh God. Look at the fire. My God, it's so angry now. Oh no, the sun is coming! Oh no, Luckily, oh my God, help us again! We are safe now! Oh, if you're Okay, to you, yay! All of you are so brave, okay? Yeah, here's some boys who is waiting here, who is it? Okay, this is the baby elephant, waiting for a long time. Okay, let's say bye-bye to baby elephant, bye-bye. We need to go back to the dock now, see you next time. Okay, people going back to the dock, please put all your hand inside the boats. Okay, don't put at the great areas, thank you. Okay, put your hand inside the boat. Hello, sir. Put your hand inside the boat. Don't put at the great area. Same here. Otherwise, you break out dog. There's no sorry today. Okay, and remember when you leave, fish use a great area. There is the middle door and the back door. Don't climb through the window. Yeah, there's a window. It's like okay, don't climb through the window. Okay, finally, if all of you like today, cheers, please remember I'm your skipper, I'm Michael. Okay, if you don't like this trip, just remember my name is Michelle, it's okay, okay? Okay, Michael has some completely stuff to say, bye bye.